Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the GoPro app and enabling auto upload so your footage moves to the cloud automatically. Make sure you confirm your cloud plan and available storage. Once done, connect the camera to a reliable Wi-Fi network and permit the app to access photos and media. If you need uploads on the go, toggle cellular uploads. Be aware of data use. These first steps ensure your clips enter the queue immediately and prevent lost footage later. Once uploads begin, you control what moves and when. You can select sessions manually or rely on auto-upload to send everything. Either way, watch the progress bar in the app and use pause or resume to manage bandwidth. If something is urgent, prioritize that session so it uploads first. Meanwhile, rename files, create albums, and add tags so your cloud stays searchable. This practice saves time later, because organized uploads mean you can finish by confirming each clip shows as uploaded in cloud status, then use the app's Free Up Space feature to safely delete local copies and reclaim phone or SD card storage. Share cloud links or download original files when needed. Adjust retention and sync settings to suit your workflow. If uploads stall, try one key fix. Sign out and back in, clear the app cache, and confirm app storage and network permissions. This usually resolves stuck transfers and re-establishes a clean upload queue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.